So I just updated my old iPad Pro to iOS 12.1. This is the same OS running on the brand new iPad Pro 2018. So I'm comparing the 2016 iPad Pro 9.7 inch to the 2018 iPad Pro 11 inch. Now, obviously, the 12.9 inch and the 11 inch is the same exact processor, same exact RAM, same exact everything. But yeah, how does it stack up to the old iPad? Now, this is the first generation iPad, so if you have the 12.9 inch iPad, it's the same processor, but you guys have more RAM. This one has 2 gigabytes of RAM, while the bigger size have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And as you guys know, my name is Simply Pops. I hope you guys having a simple day. I'm gonna be running some Apple apps, which are the calendar, the camera, stuff like that, the stock applications, and I'm gonna be running some third-party apps. Oops, I did not want to run that. All right, let's launch up the calendar application. Three, two, one. Wow. Well, this one loaded up faster, but this one was literally right behind it by like a millisecond. And I gotta say, iOS 12 definitely did revise the old devices. All right, three, two, one. Okay, there you guys have it. Not too far behind. All right, let's launch up. Let's launch up the news. All right, three, two, one. Oh my God, bro. Why am I messing up? All right, so three, two, one. See, this one comes up with a splash page. This is my first time launching up the news here. So I'm going to try that again because this one had to load up the splash page. But I would say I was almost surprised to see the old iPad loaded up. But let's do it again. Three, two, one. And you guys can see it's faster here, but here is really no slouch. I mean, come on. It's like a millisecond. If you coming from an iPad 2, you're going to see a day and night difference. And by the way, my old iPad was the iPad 2. So I upgraded from the iPad 2 to the iPad Pro 9.7 inch. So, yeah. Let's even launch up the stocks. Three, two, one. All right. They both had to load up the splash page, even though this one loaded up the splash page a lot faster. But we're gonna do that again. I don't really pay attention to the stocks too much, so we're gonna run that again. Damn, this curvy back is killing me. Three, two, one. And yeah, I mean, faster on the on the new iPad, but you gotta ask yourself, how fast is it gonna be? Is it worth the upgrade fast? You guys gotta ask yourself that. Let's launch the iTunes store. Okay, three, two, one. It's probably my first time opening up the iTunes store. Yeah, damn, it took a long time on the 2016 iPad Pro, but we're gonna try that again, just due to the fact of the splash screen. All right, three, two, one. Yeah, I mean, it's not painfully slow on the older one, but it's definitely a noticeable difference. That's like a full second. Okay, App Store. Three, two, one. Damn, I gotta update all my apps too. What am I doing? And really, to keep the comparison fair, whatever apps I'm gonna launch, I'm gonna update it to the latest version of that app, just to keep things fair. Something simple like the settings. Three, two, one. I would honestly, I'm gonna have to do it again, but I think it was almost the same, if not a little, like even a little bit than a millisecond on the iPad, like a little faster. And just to show you guys, I didn't even do this yet. I am, just to let you guys know, I'm not lying. I am running iOS 12.1. I don't want to show you guys my serial number because trust me, there's a lot you could do with a serial number. So yeah, iPad Pro 9.7 inch is running iOS 12.1. I didn't even show you guys. And of course, this is running iOS 12.1. So yeah, iOS 12.1 on the 2018 iPad Pro. All right, so I think we're ready to move on to some stock applications. Oh, one more thing I really want to test out: the cameras. The cameras is important. So three, two, one. Wow. If I'm not trying to joke around, but the old iPad loaded up the camera faster. All right, three, two, one. If anything, this is a close one. But all in all, if it's on par in terms of performance with this iPad, the only thing you really upgrading is the screen, the big beautiful screen. But for the most part, performance is right there when you're launching up your stock applications here. All right, so now let's open up some third-party applications. Instagram, I'm going to test this one out first because this is an iPhone app. I'm really waiting for the day that Instagram is going to update the Instagram app to support the iPads. All right, so let's launch up Instagram. 3, 2, 1. I probably messed that one up. Hold on, let me do that again. Shout out to Drake. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, faster. A little bit more faster, but it's not by a lot though. And that ProMotion display too, you that's gonna be an upgrade too for you. And I love the ProMotion display. Everything is so silky smooth. All right, let's open up Twitter. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! The iPad 9.7 inch loaded that one faster. You guys saw it for yourself. It was night and day. Nah, I'm just kidding. It wasn't night and day, but this one, the old iPad is really keeping up though. I'm really surprised. I just thought you would think Apple is gonna slow down these devices, but I'm gonna do that again. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the iPad Pro 9.7 inch loaded that one faster. Alright, let's try this again, this time with the latest version of Twitter installed, and they both are killed in the background. They're not running currently. And yeah, let's launch it up. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now, yeah, Twitter did something, man. They definitely throttled the CPU. You guys saw for yourself. This is why I don't update my apps. But now it's gonna load up faster here. Oh, but it's really not even no slouch though. But hey, let's try like Notability. Notability is super duper important on the iPad Pro. So 3, 2, 1. Wow, this is crazy right now, guys. To me, that's crazy. It's the same exact notes on this iPad. Same exact notes. I'm using iCloud, so everything just passes through. And you guys saw for yourself the iPad 9.7 inch. Man, it's kind of kicking, not really kicking its ass, but it's really keeping up. I'm gonna say it's really keeping up. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. All right, now I want to load faster here. I'm going to try that one more time because this thing loaded up faster. You guys saw it for yourself. All right, 3, 2, 1. And I'm tapping them at the same exact time. Yeah, it's damn near the same thing. All right, let's move on. Procreate. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, but it's really like right behind it though. It's really right behind it. Alright, so now next up, I'm going to be launching up a couple of games. I'm not really a game person on my iPad or really a game person on my phone. I'm just not a mobile gamer. But I did download Asphalt, Temple Run. And keep in mind, guys, all the apps are still running in the background. So that's a nice little stress test right there. So 3, 2, 1. And they are off. Surprisingly, iPad Pro 9.7 inch. Oh, but this one loaded up faster. And looking at the animation, you guys can see there's no slouch here too, because that's important too. Performance and the GPU. We're gonna tap on play. We're gonna just play very, very quick. Boy, Temple Run has changed a lot. Now they're in a tropical forest now. And I meant to do that. But just testing out the performance. Asphalt. So 3, 2, 1. It's my first time launching Asphalt on the 9.7 inch version. And as you guys can see, it is just breezing by. I'm gonna do that again. Just because this is the tutorial, so I'm gonna get past this tutorial and I'm gonna redo this test. Man, I was just playing that first level, and man, I forgot how powerful this iPad Pro is. This thing really holds up really well. Like, it's amazing. 3, 2, 1. And let's see which one loads up faster. Obviously, okay, this one loads up much faster. Look, I'm ready to play the game. I could continue. This is important. 3, 2, 1. All right, they both, I don't know, saying different. All right, so this one's ready to go, but this one here, man, is keeping up, man. That's the key of the video, man. Your old iPad Pro is just as fast as the new one. No stutters, no lag, nothing like that. Obviously, I'm not playing, but I'm just really just seeing the performance on how well everything is moving. Look, I probably finished him first. That's crazy. I didn't even do nothing. I didn't even do nothing though, man. Like, come on, man. This is $800, and you could probably even get this on eBay for like about $400. And they both support the Apple Pencil. This one is easy on the wallets. This one is more pretty. This one is still kind of cool to the touch. Well, not cool, but this one is kind of not. It's not hot, but it's kind of on the warm side. I want to go back to the apps and see if they still up. Like clock. Damn. So yeah, this one still remembers. Can yeah. Let's launch up stocks again. Yeah, they both have to reload. Yeah, they both have to load. So I wouldn't even be surprised if all these apps have to reload. That's just how it is. Before I even get up out of here, let me just run a Geekbench score so you guys can see the scores for yourself. There you guys have it. So 3040 single core score, 5206 on the iPad Pro 9.7 inch 2016. And as you guys can see, the 2018 iPad Pro completely blow this one out the water. But as you guys saw for yourself, real world performance, this thing is no slouch. It gets the job done. You know, it might be a millisecond faster on the new iPad, but this one is still holding up to this day. So you got to ask yourself, is it worth upgrading? Honestly, you're probably upgrading for the screen, the new design, but performance-wise, it's very, very, very similar. And like I said, this thing is a beast, but it's running iOS, the same operating system that your old iPad Pro can run. So yeah, so there you guys have it. Thank you guys so much for watching my comparison of the first generation iPad Pro basically and the newest iPad Pro, the 2018 one. If you guys did enjoy, I appreciate it with a thumbs up, maybe even a subscription, and I really hope that you guys have a simple day. What I mean by that, just, you know, keep your life simple, man. Don't do too much out there. It's getting crazy out there, man. Keep your life simple. All right, guys, until next time.